I'm Abe Hampson and I'm the Senior Mining Engineer for NRW Civil and Mining Contractors. So NRW Mining are responsible for blasting, mining and haulage of ex-pit material. We also provide services where we load trains and do maintenance around the site. MaxMine is a hardware and software based component where we collect data from our production equipment. The hardware sits in the cab and it sits in the background and interfaces with the truck systems themselves and also through use of GPS. A lot of that information is then stored for analysis, and that analysis comes to us either via manual manipulation of the data, but also through automated systems that give us a good indication of exactly how our performance is. We initially started MaxMine just on the haul fleet from the start of the project, and that has now expanded to being installed upon all our production excavators and face shovels. We can look at the near real-time data that comes back from the MaxMine system and assess whether that is the most efficient usage of those trucks. If, for example, the digging changes or some factor changes within the pit or the cycle, the system will show us that there is some hang time and there is some delays within that circuit, so we can use that information to make strategic decisions. We can look at reduced cost, and also in the world that we're in at the moment, it's also the environmental impact as well. If we can be as efficient as possible, our environmental impact in terms of carbon emissions can be reduced and we can still achieve the same thing. iTnews Benchmark Awards. It's excellent. It's a pretty good vindication of the work that myself, my team, and also the MaxMine team have done, to the point where we're recognised in a situation where we're up against some pretty stiff competition from across the industries, and it's a variety of industries as well. So we've got defence, there's infrastructure, and also civil construction. So to be, I guess, ranked up in the higher echelons of that it's an excellent achievement. And yes, I'm quite proud of the work we've done to achieve that. Let's keep up the good work and let's see where we can take this.